Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to craft delicious treats in your kingdom. We'll go over the entire process, from setting up your production buildings to collecting your finished goods. It's a fun and rewarding part of managing your kingdom, helping you progress and earn valuable resources. Get ready to turn raw materials into wonderful items that your cookies will love and use. One fantastic example of a production building is the latte cafe, where you can whip up delightful drinks like the bittersweet matcha latte. To get started, you'll need to gather the necessary ingredients. Each recipe calls for different items, so keep your resource production flowing smoothly. Upgrading your latte cafe will unlock even more exciting and valuable drink options for your kingdom. Once your latte cafe is ready, assign a cookie to operate it. Then, simply choose the drink you wish to produce from the menu. For instance, crafting a bittersweet matcha latte takes a specific amount of time. You can often queue up multiple items for continuous production. Remember to collect your finished drinks promptly to free up the building for new orders and keep your kingdom thriving. Producing these delicious beverages offers many benefits for your kingdom. For example, crafting 10 bittersweet matcha lattes can earn you 300 rainbow cubes, a fantastic reward. These items are often required for completing quests, upgrading other buildings, or advancing your cookies. Consistent production ensures you always have the resources needed to grow your kingdom and achieve new milestones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.